Hi guys, this is Mark with WTI. To me, the wheels of my car are the shoes of my car, and we always gotta keep them looking dapper.
So I really enjoy using Wheel Cleaner by Chemical Guys. It's citrus based and tough on grime. You can spray it directly on the wheels or on a cleaning brush, which is what I like to do. I love how it clears away that brake dust and all that filth and grime that accumulates over time. It's also gentle and safe for most wheel finishes and materials. You could use it on chrome wheels, plastic wheel covers, brake parts, suspension parts, plastic fender liners, or even for the undercarriage parts to break down grime and filth. I love the results, and I love that it's a good size where I could easily store it away and quickly grab it next time I need it.
So this is one of my favorite things to use when cleaning the wheels of my car. I really appreciate that Chemical Guys came out with it. I really enjoy it, and I'm pretty sure you will too. But that's just my point of view.